Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V21 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to block a number. We can use directly our contact list and block a number which is currently saved, or block a number entering it manually. Of course, I'll show you both options. So first of all, let's enter the contacts. Let's begin with this way, this option, and find the contact you would like to block and tap on it. Now let's tap on this three dot icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see we've got the option block numbers. Let's tap on it simply, and here we've got the information. Our device is informing us that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. What's more, you can report it as a spam. I don't want to do that, so let me untick this option and simply tap on block. And as you can see here we've got the information that from this moment this number is blocked. Of course you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on this option, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So that was the very first way of blocking a number using your contact list. And now let me show you another way. So here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon and enter the settings. Now let's tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see this is our blacklist, and that's the number we just blocked from our contact list. What's more, I said that in the second way you can block a number manually, so simply tap on add a number, and as you can see here you can enter the number manually, so you do not have to save it on your contact list. Let's tap on block, and as you can see it immediately appears on the blacklist, so it means that again from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. What's more, here we've got the option unknown, which is quite a cool option because after activating and just by tapping on the switcher your device will block calls from all unidentified callers. Of course you can turn it off the same way. So if you'd like to unblock the number, all you have to do is to simply tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock, and as you can see it immediately disappears. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your VIVO V21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.